I'm Casey Ann from Bordentown, New Jersey. This is my 65 Chevy van. Has an inline 6 in it with a turbo 350 and a low car shifter. Most of it's been gone through. It's actually a Ford Red. I bought this van out of Ohio about 8 years ago. And I bought it home. It's supposed to have a rebuilt motor in it. And as soon as I got it home, it blew up. So my wife and I called it bamboozled because I kind of got ripped off when I bought it. So now we can laugh about it. Everything's done. It's reliable. It goes where I want. It's comfortable to stay in. And that's about it.
No, it's like your bamboo that's on the side. Did you put that on or was that on?
This was done by a guy down the Bordentown shore that does boat transoms. His name's Cartier, Jim Cartier. And he hand painted all this bamboo. The tiki head on the back, the lettering on the dash, all the pinstripe. He did all that by hand. Again, this is Jim Cartier. I actually didn't tell him what to do. This is just, I said, Jim, I want some stuff on there, and this is what Jim came up with. A little tiki head guy, and again, the bamboozled, which is also up on the dash. Got this tag through New Jersey Motor Vehicle, which is kind of funny, because I don't think they know what it means. And I'll show you the inside. So it has a second gen box, has new brass kingpins in it. It's got a turbo 350, low car shifter in the front. It has shore power, so all of this stuff works even though it's not plugged in. DVD player, TV, all the comforts of home. Bed's real cozy.
What were you telling me about the dash?
It's a piece of flooring.
A piece of flooring.
Yeah.
Huh.
A lot of the parts on this van, this is a first gen. Most of the parts on the replacement parts at least are second gen. The seats are actually out of a 74 Chevy van. Mm-hmm. This is a second gen box, which is really a V8 box, although there's a 6-cylinder in it. The V8 box was made from 67 to 70, mm-hmm. So the box has changed. And the bumpers are also second gen.
Nice. You got your, what you got here? You got a refrigerator,
You do. It's a little ice box in there.
Yeah.
You can put dry ice in there, but I pretty much use it for a closet. Mm-hmm. DC battery, the deep cycle battery's under there.
Oh, okay.
The inverter's hidden behind back. And then this is just storage for extension cords and such. Mm-hmm. It's got LED lights in the oak and the ceiling. I didn't do those.
Nice and clean.
These are kind of neat too. This guy in Hanover, no, York, PA, got original 70 lamps, and these are actually 3D printed. They're not originals.
Oh wow, no kidding.
Yeah, they look just like the originals, but they're actually ever done on a 3D printer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your speakers in the back doors there?
Yep. Speakers in the back doors. Storage under the bed. Mm-hmm. Just a good basic. Tried to keep it as usable as I can.
That's it.
It's got a Weber carb, HEI. Yeah, that's about it. Still 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, it runs fine. I ran 6.5 hours to get down here.
Wow, that's great. How many miles on it?
Well, I don't know.
Oh.
The new motor has about 9,000 miles on it.
Yeah, that's right. You did replace it. Yeah.
Yeah, the motor that was in here blew up so badly you couldn't even rebuild it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it blew into pieces. Wow. It split the whole rear of the block all the way down.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
But a lot of this was done from, this van was built by a guy out of Maryland who was dying of cancer.
Oh. Oh.
And he spent his dying days building this van. Mm. And he got through all the pretty stuff, but never did the mechanics. And then unfortunately he died of cancer, and the guy I got it from bought it from his estate. So I just finished it. But a lot of the stuff that's in here, at least anything that's pretty much he did it.
Excellent. Well, thanks for showing it to us, man.
No, thanks for looking at it.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, I really love it. It's a great
Yeah.
truck.
Well, good luck with it in the future.
Thank you.